Hi guys, in this video, we are going to see how you can install a plugin in WordPress. So what are WordPress plugins? WordPress plugins are used to add new features to your WordPress website. For example, let's say you want to play a video on your phone, but you're not able to play it. You can just go to the App Store and then install a video player app, which will play your video file. So the same way, if you want to add a new feature to your website, which is not available in WordPress by default, you can install a plugin to add that feature to your site. So let's get started. Now to install a plugin in WordPress, there are two methods. The first method is to install the plugin using the search from the WordPress dashboard. So to install the plugin using search, let's go to our WordPress dashboard and then go to plugins and click add new. Now here, search for the plugin which you want. Let's say you want to add a contact form to your site. So just search for contact form and you will get different contact form plugins which you can add to your site. Now let's say you want to install this plugin. So just click install now. And now the plugin will be installed on your site. But right now, it is not active yet. Now in order to activate the plugin, you need to click activate. And now the plugin will be enabled on your site. So as you can see, we have now installed this plugin on our site. So this is how you can install a plugin in WordPress. Once you install the plugin, how do you use that plugin? So once you install a plugin, there are a few common places where you can access or control its settings. The first place is from this page. Here, you can see that we have a settings option under the plugin's name. So now, if we click here, we can now access the plugin's features. And we can create new contact forms. Okay. So let's go back. Now the other place where new plugins can appear is on this sidebar. So here you can see that once we install the plugin, we got a new item called contact. Now if we go here, you can access all the features of the plugin. Now if you're not able to figure out how to access the plugin, just click view details. And here, we can find the details about the plugin and how you can use it. Now, every plugin in WordPress has different features and will work differently. For example, if you install a page builder plugin like Elementor, and if you go to the Add New Page section, it will add a new button like this, which you can use to build the page using the plugin. So each plugin will work slightly different based on what it's designed to do. So this is how plugins work in WordPress. And now you know how you can install a plugin using search. Next, let's look at the second method of installing a plugin in WordPress, which is by uploading the plugin zip file. Now sometimes you might receive a plugin in a zip format. For example, when you buy a premium plugin, you are likely to get the plugin as a zip file. Now, in order to install this plugin on your WordPress site, you need to upload this file to WordPress. So to upload this plugin, let's go to our WordPress dashboard and then go to plugins and click add new. Now, instead of using the search box, let's click upload plugin. And now, here you need to select your plugin. So I'm going to click choose file. And then select the plugin zip file. And as you can see, the plugin has been selected. So now, to install the plugin, all you have to do is click install, and the plugin is installed. Now to enable the plugin on your site, you need to click activate. And as you can see, the plugin is now active. And here, you can see that a new item called WP Forms has been added to our menu. So this is how you can install a plugin by uploading its zip file. So now you know how you can install and use plugins in WordPress. Now as WordPress has thousands of free and premium plugins available, you can do a lot of things with your website. If you want to learn more about WordPress, click here to get our free ebook, The 7 Must-Do Things After Launching Your WordPress Website. And also make sure you subscribe to Website Learners to get more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.